In this tutorial we're going to go over how to use a job dictionary on succeeding days for the same case. In this scenario we're going to have 3 days. The first day is here. I'm using the same job all the way through so you can see how it changes. Mrs. Jones really isn't not Mrs. Jones, she is Mrs. Johnson. Alright, and I'm going to make sure instant update is turned on. And then I'm going to send it to my job dictionary. I can hit Alt-J to send it to the job dictionary, or I can click on job. And there we go. Now I'm going to exit out of this, and I'm going to say yes. Go over to my translator and translate day 2. It's asking you if that it's already been translated. Do you want to translate again? I'm going to say yes. You won't always get this if you're reading in from only from the right or not doing real time and then coming back and retranslating. Do you want to keep the sync data? If you do, you want to say yes, and sync data would be audio and timestamps and other things like that. I'm going to say no because I don't have any of that stuff. So here we go, it's translating. It's going to take us in. And you'll see that Miss Jones is still Miss Jones. And that's because it didn't bring over the other dictionary because I didn't tell it to. So I'm going to kick back out, go back over to the translator, go into dictionary, and find day 1. Day 1 comes on my job dictionary list. It's first on the priority list, that's why it's number 1. And if I were to select any of the rest of them, they would be numbered all the way down. You can clear them if you want, clear the entire list, drop a dictionary if you want, or whatever. Alright, then we're going to click on OK. We're going to find day 2. And we're going to translate. There we go. And now Miss Jones is now Miss Johnson. Alright, and this is day 2. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this in my job dictionary. I'm going to hit Alt-J. There it goes. I'm going to exit. By hitting the X up here on the top right, because I've made a change to the document, it's going to ask me if I want to save my changes. I'm going to say yes. Now we're going to head back over to the translate, and we're going to go to day 3. Alright, but we're going to select day 2's dictionary. Click on the day 2, select day 3 here, and translate. And I'm going to say no. And there's Miss Johnson, translated, and purchased, translated. This is going to work for you throughout all of, if you're just moving job dictionaries from one session to the next, you're going to take the previous day's dictionary. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.